What's going on, everyone? Thursday, October the 20th. My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. We're going to be doing some technical analysis on AMD. So the semiconductors did have a nice little pop to start today's session. Now we are pulling back a little bit back to that kind of, back testing range on the triple Qs as well as the SPY, the S&P 500. One thing that I do kind of want to point out here, we do have the 5-day moving average along with the 10-day moving average starting to kind of flatten out a little bit. The 10-day moving average is still declining. I do not like this inverted hammer candle that is starting to form. Now, again, we do still have a few hours left in the market session today. One thing that I do want to kind of keep in on the forefront of everyone's minds is this $57 and around 40-cent range on AMD. Now, if AMD does start to give up the 5-day moving average on the daily time frame, okay? So if you kind of go over to your daily charts and you look at the candlesticks, each candle is going to represent 1 day's worth of trading action. If AMD does close below the 5-day moving average, it is a short, okay? There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Not saying that you want to short this for the next week or two, but definitely able to catch a little bit of a trade there to the downside, definitely intraday. So what I'm looking at personally on AMD is going to be, if we do start to lose this 5-day moving average, $57.42. I will take a short position on AMD. Now, I will be targeting around $56.34. That's going to be the prior 2 days channels, the bottom lows here on these wicks. If I do get that, I will take off about 50-60% of my position and kind of just hold some runners. Now, obviously, anytime you're holding runners, you kind of want to be scaling out along the way, but you want to understand where you could be headed. So $54.57 is the bottom wick here when we tag that lower Bollinger Band on the 13th of October. So kind of keep that in mind. As it stands right now, this is just a back test, okay? We did put in a nice little pop here to the top of the range. If you kind of look at this range that AMD has been trading in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. So just about 2 weeks worth of trading action. We came all the way to the top of the range. And if we decide to test the bottom of the range would be sitting between 54.50 and around 55.50. So definitely, if you're going to take that short position through the 5-day moving average, make sure you're taking profits along the way down. If we do hold this area, I would be looking for a run up. Use the 5-day moving average as your stop loss, and you're going to be trying to target that $60 price point, which is at the top of the range. Now, if you do get long and you're taking profits into that 59 and 50 or 59 and $60 price target, sell out, take some profits, hold the runner, because if we do pop that $60.50 top channel here, we do have potential to run up to this Bollinger Band at around $62 next week. So definitely kind of keep that in mind. Just wanted to give you guys some levels to play off of. Again, below the 5-day moving average is a short back down to the bottom of the range. Right now, we are pretty much dead center in the middle of this channel between $60 and around $54. We're about dead center in the middle of it. So this trade can go either way here. Remind you, we just do have earnings coming up here in a couple of weeks here on the 1st of November. So keep that in mind if you are a longer term swing trader, meaning you're not going to, day trade in and out of this on the same day. So below the 5-day moving average, I will look to short this, take profits on the way down. If this stands and we do make a pushback higher, I will get long over the 10-day moving average and take profits into that 59.50 area and hold my runner to see if we can at least try to tag that $60 to $62 mark. Hope this video makes sense. Hope it helps you guys. And if it does, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. Join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will catch you guys all on the next video.